Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. So ever since I posted that eSIM video about eSIM on beta 12.1, or the beta for 12.1, I've been getting a lot of questions and I just want to clear up some of those. The first question is it available yet? And the answer to that is no, it is not. Even though the feature is in here to add a cellular plan in iOS 12.1 beta 1, a lot of the carriers are not supporting the activation of eSIM yet, especially not on the iPhone. So T-Mobile does not have the activation barcode or information ready yet for you to connect the iPhone to their server. AT&T is having an issue with voicemail, so they're doing internal testing right now to clear that up before they're allowing the public to activate it. Sprint does not support eSIM on the iPhone at all. They are not one of the supported carriers. And Verizon, again, does not have the stuff ready to activate the iPhone on eSIM yet. So question number one would be a no, it's not available yet, and we likely won't see carriers supporting the activation of the eSIM until 12.1 is available to the public later this fall. Question number two is, can you add more than one cellular plan? The answer to that is yes and no. You can have two plans, one being with the eSIM and one being with your actual physical SIM card, but you cannot add more than one eSIM account at the same time. You cannot add multiple accounts to the same phone and switch between them. You can only have two accounts, one with the physical SIM, one with the eSIM. If you want to switch the eSIM to another carrier, you have to deactivate it and activate it on another carrier, and a lot of carriers will cancel your account if you just deactivate the SIM and don't have a SIM on the account. So you can't just have like 3 carriers and switch your eSIM back and forth between 2 of them and have a physical SIM. So really 2 is going to be the limit for that. Question number 3 is, how do you control all of it? In the cellular settings here, you can see I have my T-Mobile line, which is on my regular physical SIM, because again, eSIM is not supported yet. And then add cellular plan down here is how you would add one, and you would get another section for your eSIM down here, and you can turn each line on and off. And in your contacts app, you can choose what contact goes to what SIM and what calls are made from what number. So that's how all that works. And third question I'm getting lately is this supported on the iPhone 10 with an update to iOS 12? And the answer to that is no. eSIM stands for embedded SIM, so it is actually a hardware feature as well as a software feature. So the iPhone 10 does not have an eSIM inside of it, so therefore it will not work when updated to iOS 12.1. So this is only supported on the iPhone XS and XS Max, as well as the XR when it releases later this month. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments section below. And as always, have a great day.